We recognize that between Parent Portal and Schoology, there is a lot to learn and know about how these two things function. So luckily in Schoology, we have created some resources for you. So once you log into your parent account, you will see this main landing page. And if you go to courses, we have set up a Schoology parent guide. This parent guide is full of videos and information that will help you understand from how to use Schoology and your parent account, starting with an orientation to this course. It's a great place to start, or how the parent account and student account are different. Anything that you would like to see here, you can simply click on it and it will either open up and show you a video, or this is what we call the breadcrumb trail. You can go back one, and sometimes there may just be information in there, not necessarily a video. So sometimes it will just be a diagram that will walk you through how to use it. So please check out the Schoology Parent Guide for more information about Schoology parent accounts.